Hello, today we are going to explain how to install Windows 10 from a USB. You need a USB stick with at least 8 gigs of storage and a system that can operate with Windows 10. Before we are going to start this tutorial on how to install Windows 10, make sure your system satisfies with these specifications. Microsoft has a tool especially for downloading Windows 10. You can find the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. Be aware that you need to do this step on another PC or laptop. After downloading the media creation tool, you need to run the file and follow the setup until you come across an option where you can select to put the media tool on your USB drive. As you can see, I already did it, so I don't have to do it again. If you have done all of these steps correct, your USB will look like this.
The next step is restart your system and spam the booter panel key. The button you need to press totally depends on your manufacturer. The most common keys are ESC, F2, F10 or F12. After you finish going into your computer's BIOS, look for a section called Boot. When you're in the boot section, go to the option Boot Order. This decides which devices are used first when the computer starts up. Necessary need to put into a license key. The only downside is that you will have a Windows 10 watermark right at the bottom of your screen.
I recommend using Windows 10 Home or Pro. In this tutorial we use Windows 10 Pro. Accept the Windows 10 terms and select Custom Downloads. Select the drive you want to put Windows on. I recommend to put it in your SSD if you have one. Be aware to not select the USB drive. After you select the drive you want to use, press the button Next and wait until your system finishes the downloading. The speed of this download depends on your internet and specs. These are all personal steps that you can decide yourself. If you have done all the steps correct, you will have a fully functioning PC with Windows 10.